What's up, Joe here. Going to show a product that I got from StingerOffRoad.com. It's going to be this factory looking mirror right here. It looks like a stock mirror with a stock style mount. However, right now it is actively recording a front and rear camera to an internal SD card. So I'll show you real quick the screen. The initial screen is going to have a compass and a GPS speed. So here you can see we got the backup camera. This is going to be behind us and it is actually recording. You can go into the screen here and toggle as well. You can do a split screen that's going to show the front screen and the rear screen at the same time. We can go through this again, have the front mounted camera, the back mounted, or both. Another nice feature is this camera button. If you're driving, you need to take a picture real quick, push that button, you can hear that sound it made. It just saved a digital picture to the SD card. Another nice part is that the on-screen playback. So we're going to go ahead, push the play button. It's going to give you the option to choose from your front files, your rear files, or your pictures. So you can, it helps organize everything to make finding the video that you need a lot easier. As you can see, this camera, very high quality, very bright, very clear. It's in the middle of the day, it's very bright out, it's 90 degrees, and you can still see the picture clear as day. Very awesome product.